Welcome back to our channel everybody. It's a short video, but today's video it's on how you guys can log in into your American Express account, alright? Also known as AMEX account. And follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, then hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Now let's move on. First thing is you want to go to your search engine. It could be anything. I'm using Google and search for American Express login like this. Once you search for it, it's going to show you all this result. Just click on the first one where it's going to take you to the official website of American Express. Alright, so wait until the page loads up completely. Once the page loads up completely like this, over here where it says user ID, enter the user ID of your account. After you enter your user ID, just enter the password of your account. And after you enter the password of your account, just click on login. Once you click on login, you should be able to log in into your AMEX account or your American Express account. And if you forgot your user ID or password, or you want to create another account or confirm your card receipt, you can choose the option which you want from over here. So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your American Express account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.